The United States Air Force is the largest and most powerful air force in the world. Its mission is to fly, fight, and win air power anytime, anywhere. The United States Air Force is also the most technologically advanced air force in the world, with 1,511 fighters, 132 bombers, 213 choppers, and 1,541 trainers. It has over 320,000 active Air Force personnel. The United States Air Force was founded on September 18, 1947, when the Army Air Forces was separated from the United States Army. It has been involved in every major conflict since its inception and has played a vital role in the defense of the United States. With a fleet of as many as 1,511 fighters, the United States Air Force is undoubtedly the most potent in the world. The United States Air Force has fighter, strike, and multi-role jets. One of the highlights of the United States Air Force's fighters is the F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a compact, multi-role fighter aircraft. It is highly maneuverable and has proven itself in air-to-air combat and air-to-surface attack. It provides a relatively low-cost, high-performance weapon system. The F-15E Strike Eagle is a dual-role fighter designed to perform air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. An array of avionics and electronic systems gives the F-15E the capability to fight at low altitudes, day or night, and in all weather. The F-15's superior maneuverability and acceleration are achieved through its high engine thrust-to-weight ratio and low wing loading. The F-15 Eagle is an all-weather, extremely maneuverable, tactical fighter designed to permit the Air Force to gain and maintain air supremacy over the battlefield. The Eagle's air superiority is achieved through a mixture of unprecedented maneuverability and acceleration, range, weapons, and avionics. It can penetrate enemy defense and outperform and outfight any current enemy aircraft. The F-22 has a significant capability to attack surface targets. In the air-to-ground configuration, the aircraft can carry two 1,000-pound GBU-32 Joint Direct Attack munitions internally and will use onboard avionics for navigation and weapons delivery support. In the future, air-to-ground capability will be enhanced with an upgraded radar and up to 8 small-diameter bombs. The Raptor will also carry 2 AIM-120s and 2 AIM-9s in the air-to-ground configuration. The F-35A is the United States Air Force's latest 5th-generation fighter. It will replace the U.S. Air Force's aging fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons and A-10 Thunderbolt IIs, which have been the primary fighter aircraft for more than 20 years, and bring with it an enhanced capability to survive in the advanced threat environment in which it was designed to operate. With its aerodynamic performance and advanced integrated avionics, the F-35 will provide next-generation stealth, enhanced situational awareness, and reduced vulnerability for the United States and allied nations. The United States Air Force has an array of bombers that can fly into enemy territory to destroy strategic targets. These strategic bombers are military combat aircraft that utilize air-to-ground weaponry to drop bombs, launch torpedoes, or deploy air-launched cruise missiles. First up, we have the B-52H Stratofortress, which is a long-range, heavy bomber that can perform a variety of missions. The bomber is capable of flying at high subsonic speeds at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet. It can carry nuclear or precision-guided conventional ordnance with worldwide precision navigation capability. Carrying the largest conventional payload of both guided and unguided weapons in the Air Force inventory, the multi-mission B-1 is the backbone of America's long-range bomber force. It can rapidly deliver massive quantities of precision and non-precision weapons against any adversary, anywhere in the world, at any time. The B-1 is a highly versatile, multi-mission weapon system. The B-2 Spirit is a multi-role bomber capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear munitions. A dramatic leap forward in technology, the bomber represents a major milestone in the United States bomber modernization program. The B-2 brings massive firepower to bear in a short time anywhere on the globe through previously impenetrable defenses. The B-2 provides the penetrating flexibility and effectiveness inherent in manned bombers. The United States Air Force's helicopter fleet features 213 helicopters assigned various roles, including flying training, air and field support, airlift, and search and rescue. The primary mission of the HH-60G Pavehawk helicopter is to conduct day or night personnel recovery operations in hostile environments to recover isolated personnel during war. The HH-60G is also tasked to perform military operations other than war, including civil search and rescue, medical evacuation, disaster response, humanitarian assistance, security cooperation, NASA space flight support, and rescue command and control. The UH-1N is a light-lift utility helicopter used to support various missions. The primary missions include airlift of emergency security forces, security and surveillance of off-base nuclear weapons convoys, and distinguished visitor airlift. Other uses include disaster response operations, search and rescue, medical evacuation, airborne cable inspections, support to aircrew survival school, aerial testing, routine missile site support and transport. The CV-22 Osprey is a tiltrotor aircraft that combines the vertical takeoff, hover and vertical landing qualities of a helicopter with the long range, fuel efficiency and speed characteristics of a turboprop aircraft. Its mission is to conduct long-range infiltration, exfiltration and resupply missions for Special Operations Forces. The CV-22 can operate at low altitudes, in bad weather and in high-threat environments. The Mi-17 is a medium multi-purpose two-engine turboshaft helicopter of classic arrangement with a 5-bladed main rotor and a 3-bladed anti-torque tail rotor, designed predominantly for the transport of personnel. The helicopter is equipped with excellent navigation and information systems and a modern design that enables safe day and night transport of personnel even under very adverse weather conditions. The AgustaWestland AW139 is a 15-seat medium-sized twin-engined helicopter. It serves different purposes, including military use, offshore transport, firefighting, law enforcement, search and rescue, emergency medical service, disaster relief, and maritime patrol. More than 1,500 trainer aircraft bolster the United States Air Force. United States Air Force trainer aircraft are essential for preparing pilots and crew members for a variety of missions. Trainer aircraft provide training in basic flight skills, advanced maneuvers, and combat tactics. Key trainer aircraft include the T-6 Texan II for primary flight training, the T-1 AJ Hawk for advanced training in airlift and tanker operations, and the T-38 Talon for supersonic flight and fighter tactics. These aircraft help trainees develop the skills necessary for operating more complex and mission-specific aircraft. By simulating real-world scenarios and providing hands-on experience, trainer aircraft ensure that Air Force personnel are well prepared for the demands of active duty. The United States Air Force has 313 close air support aircraft. U.S. Air Force close air support aircraft play a vital role in supporting ground forces during combat operations. These aircraft provide precise, direct firepower to assist troops engaged with enemy forces. Key CAS aircraft include the Fairchild Republic Thunderbolt II, Lockheed Stinger II, and Lockheed Ghost Rider. These aircraft are designed to operate in hostile environments, delivering timely and accurate support to enhance the effectiveness of ground operations and ensure the safety of friendly forces. Their ability to loiter over battlefields and deliver sustained firepower makes them indispensable in modern warfare. There are some 677 transport aircraft that are part of the United States Air Forces. These are aircraft crucial for rapid global mobility, enabling the swift movement of troops, equipment, and supplies. These aircraft, such as the C-17 Globemaster III, C-130 Hercules, and C-5M Super Galaxy, are designed to carry heavy and oversized cargo over long distances. They perform a variety of missions, including strategic airlift, tactical airlift, and aeromedical evacuation. Transport aircraft ensure that military forces can deploy quickly to wherever they are needed, provide humanitarian aid in disaster zones, and support sustained operations by delivering essential supplies. A fleet of over 500 tankers or refueling aircraft is responsible for aerial fuel delivery to support Allied aircraft. Refueling aircraft is essential for extending the range and endurance of both combat and support aircraft, ensuring continuous air operations. These aircraft, such as the KC-135 Stratotanker, KC-10 Extender, and the modern KC-46 Pegasus, are equipped to transfer fuel to other planes mid-flight. This capability allows for longer missions without the need for landing, enhancing the operational reach and flexibility of the Air Force. Refueling aircraft support various missions, from strategic bombing and reconnaissance to airlift and special operations. The U.S. Air Force's Special Mission Aircraft perform critical tasks beyond traditional combat roles, utilizing advanced technology for unique missions. These include surveillance and reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and aerial refueling, with aircraft like the RC-135 Rivet Joint EC-130H Compass Call and KC-135 Stratotanker. They also provide command and control, communication support, and search and rescue operations, exemplified by the E-4 Billion Nightwatch, E-6 Billion Mercury, and HC-130J Combat King II. Additionally, they conduct psychological operations to influence enemy behavior, as seen with the EC-130J Commando Solo. The United States Air Force continues to innovate and adapt, ready to meet the challenges of tomorrow. With a focus on maintaining air superiority, rapid global mobility, and precise strike capabilities, the Air Force stands as a testament to human ingenuity and determination.